Hello everyone! This is Taormina, the beautiful jewel of Sicily, located in the northeast of Sicily. As you can see, Taormina is very popular. This is September 2025. I'm with our friends, with the beautiful people who joined the Sicily Lovers Tour. And we are experiencing the walking guided tour of Taormina.
Gelato!
Feel free to contact us if you want to join one of our tours of Sicily, group tours of Sicily. We still have a few available spots in the edition in April 2026. The other editions are already sold out. And of course, feel free to contact us if you want to ask us to plan a custom private tour of Sicily. It will be available all year round, and it will be customized according to your special needs. Thanks for watching, and see you the next one. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily!